Yeah. I reach out to my fans because I want them to really truly know me. Man, this game is cold like the winter wind when it blows, a soul full of emotion with only room to grow. As the rain falls from the black skies, I see the world through the shades covering my eyes. That's the portal to my soul. I don't know where this game will lead me, but I feel they need me. So I take this pen with every verse and give it 110. But I'm trapped in a world where they feed off sin. So I'm sipping Heineken and smoking weed like it was oxygen, because the media convinces you it's the cool thing to do. So I get lost in it, and I bet you do too. Like, those are your main essentials to be at your full potential. I want you to count your homies and tell me which ones you can really count on, because I know I don't really have many. I can fall back on the ones I thought were true. Wasn't it insane? So I get lifted off this blunt that I twisted higher than the airplanes. Off this purple haze phase, getting blazed, waiting for my career to take me toward better days. I get a good vibe only when it rains, because right now sunny days just don't match my emotions. I'm stressing myself, trying to top my expectations, waiting for the day random people walk up and say, hey, congratulations. I don't wanna sell out, but I will if I have to, because the devil rules this genre. I'm tired of pushing a Honda, I'm far from being a baller, but hopefully closer than I think. The devil wants me to sign my soul over and use my blood as the ink with promises of being an Arizona underground king. Plenty of money and women, but I never really cared.